The rosemary plant is one of the most popular medicinal plants in the world, as well as a healing herb with a very long history of use all over the world, including in Italy and Greece. It has the power to promote hair growth, relieve indigestion, improve mood, and much more. So in today's video I'll reveal the top health benefits of taking rosemary and why you should be consuming it if you can on a daily basis. Rosemary Health Benefits. The famous rosemary plant, which is the same one we use at home, is native to the Mediterranean region and has been used for cooking and herbal folklore medicine for thousands of years. This herb has a strong smell and taste and also is packed with antioxidants, volatile oils, and other protective phytochemical compounds. This plant alone has more than 10 curative compounds. Very impressive to be a herb substance that can help relieve conditions like pain, inflammation, gastrointestinal pain, specifically anxiety and respiratory issues. The only thing we need to know is how to use it, so in today's video I'll reveal the top health benefits of taking rosemary and why you should be consuming it if you can on a daily basis. It promotes hair growth. Believe it or not, rosemary, especially rosemary oil specifically, is one of the most famous ingredients you can use to benefit hair growth. Rosemary oil is found in some hair products that can advance hair development and a sound scalp, not at all like other regular hair cures. There's evidence that supports that rosemary oil, for example, does improve hair growth, and you can use it and prepare it at home. Its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal effects are also thought to improve the scalp. Apparently it fights against dandruff and skin irritation that causes dryness and improves that hair growth. It is also thought that it can help decrease the effects of testosterone and hair follicles, which is what many times leads to hair loss and balding. According to one study, rosemary oil performed as well as minoxidil, common hair growth treatment, but with fewer scalp itching effects and side effects. The only thing relieves indigestion. Many of the herbs we find in the supermarket can be very effective against indigestion. One of them is peppermint, but another one that is very effective is also rosemary. This herb is cooked with or steeped as a herbal tea, a long history of natural remedy for digestive issues. Some of its uses include loss of appetite, heartburn, acid reflux, gas, bloating, and even abdominal pain. Apparently, it seems capable of stimulating the release of digestive fluids, including bile, which assists in digestion and supports normal nutrient absorption. Rosemary is an antimicrobial. Believe it or not, you might be using products that contain rosemary right now and you don't know it. You see, within rosemary there are compounds that can help defend us against the proliferation of certain types of harmful bacteria. Rosemary has been used for centuries as an antimicrobial agent, and its extracts is also used today for food preservatives. It improves mood and alertness. The smell of rosemary is considered to be a cognitive stimulant that can help make you feel awake and focused. Some studies have also shown that compounds within the rosemary plant and oil have neuroprotective effects and the ability to improve memory and cognitive performance. Now, additionally, the uplifting and energizing aroma of rosemary has been linked to improvements in mood, reduced drowsiness, and reduced levels of stress, including the ability to decrease the release of stress hormones like cortisol.